Right now, I don't have any feeling to think of. There's a dilemma between us. Is it really true? There's nothing for us to think of our dilemma. Do you surely believe that love is eternal? I'd like to believe love is eternal. Is that so? I'm not sure about that kind of thing because of I am human, incomplete, not absolute. I need some down. What I need to do, shall they? I drive myself into a corner to once again speak to wake up. This is going to be my next stage for me to think of the truth of love. What is love? Is love eternal? I don't know anything about that matter because I am incomplete.